all go to the Picaro Zoo. Let's see the animals, me and you. Let's all go to the Picaro Zoo. Mr. Picaro, you can come too. Hello snake, hello frog,
Sa sa sa, ha ha ha.
grr says the tiger.
And the monkey said stop. How are you, giraffe? How are you, hippo?
We're very well.
Thank you, now off you go.
Let's all go to the Picaro Zoo. Let's see the animals, me and you. Let's all go to the Picaro Zoo. Mr. Picaro, you can come too. Hello lizard hiss, hello lion roar. Count the baby lions.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello elephant, hello crocodile. You've got a long nose.
You've got a big smile.
Let's all go to the Picaro Zoo. Mr. Picaro, you can come too. Number 6, where do you stand? Number 7, hold your hand. Number 7, where is your place? Sitting next to number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Count to 10, Picaroon Ben.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's next then?
Number 8, who's next in line? Next to you is number 9. Number 9, where are you then? There you are with number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Count to 10, Picaroon Ben.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What's next then?
We are the Picaroons and we can play.
What can you play?
We can play the guitar, and it goes like this.
Gig, 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 guitar. Gig, 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 guitar.
We are the Picaroons and we can play.
What
I like to eat ice cream, yes I do. I like to get dressed in only one shoe. I don't like to stop, I like to have fun. I don't like to sit down, I like to run. What do I like? What do you like? What do we like to do? What do you like? What do I like? Let's find out, me and you. I like to have a bath and splish, splash, splash.
I like to drink the water, not to wash. I don't like to listen, I like to talk. I don't like to stand still, I like to walk.
What do I like? What do you like? What do we like to do? What do you like? What do I like? Let's find out, me and you.
I like to watch spiders climb the wall. I like to put frogs in the coats in the hall.
I don't like to put on my bedtime clothes.
I don't like my mother cleaning my nose.
What do I like? What do you like? What do we like to do? What do you like? What do I like? Let's find out, me and you. Let's find out, me and you. Come on, everybody! Are you ready to get irie?
Picaroons up, Picaroons down. Come on, Picaroons, turn around. Picaroons jump, Picaroons wiggle. Let's all do the Picaroon Jiggle.
Here's Alex, Anna, Daisy, and Bill.
Jiggle,
Wiggle, yes we will. Here's Lucy, Jane, Jill, and Pat.
Jiggly, wiggle.
I like your hat.
Picaroons up, Picaroons down. Come on, Picaroons, turn around. Picaroons jump, Picaroons wiggle. Let's all do the Picaroon Jiggle.
Mary,
Paul, Nick, and Ann. Jiggly, wiggle.
yes we
can.
Here's Vicky, Kim, John, and Ben.
Jiggly, wiggle, let's do it again. Picaroons up, Picaroons down. Come on, Picaroons, turn around. Picaroons jump, Picaroons wiggle. Let's all do the Picaroon Jiggle.
Sam, Tom, and Fred.
Jiggly, wiggle
From A to Z. That just leaves Tony and Sue. Jiggly wiggly, you can do. All right, people, are you ready to jiggle?
Picaroons up, Picaroons down. Come on, Picaroons, turn around. Picaroons jump, Picaroons wiggle. Let's all do the Picaroon Jiggle.
Picaroons up, Picaroons down. Come on, Picaroons, turn around. Picaroons jump, Picaroons wiggle. Let's all do the Picaroon Jiggle.
you, Bill? Are you next to the tree? Where are you, Bill? Can you see me? Where are you, Ben? Are you next to the lake? Where are you, Ben? Oh look, a cave! Where are you? Where are you? Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben. Are you in the park? Are you in the park? Yes you are, yes you are. Where are you, Bill? Are you under the kite? Where are you, Bill? Don't hide all night. Where are you, Ben? Are you under the ground? Where are you, Ben? What is that sound? Where are you, Bill? Oh, are you in the grass?
Here I am.
Where are you, Bill? Don't run so fast. Where are you, Ben? Are you in the nest?
Up here.
Where are you, Ben? North, south, east, west. Where are you? Where are you? Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben. Where are you, Bill? Are you behind the leaf? Where are you, Bill? Come on, this week. Where are you, Ben? Are you behind the boat? Where are you, Ben? Is this your coat? Where are you? Where are you? Bill and Ben, Bill and Ben. Are you in the park? Are you in the park? Yes you are, yes you are. Monday, Tuesday, happy days. Wednesday, Thursday, happy days. Friday, Friday, the happiest day. Friday is the happiest day of the week.
On Monday,
I can go for a nice swim.
on Tuesday,
I can play the violin.
on Wednesday,
You and I can play football.
Thursday,
I can bounce a basketball.
On Friday, I don't want to go to sleep.
Monday, Tuesday, happy days. Wednesday, Thursday, happy days. Friday, Friday, the happiest day. Friday is the happiest day of the week.
On Monday,
I've got a big bowl of
on
rice.
Tuesday,
I've got chocolate milk and it's nice.
on Wednesday,
I've got soup and tomato.
On Thursday,
I've got some meat and potato.
on Friday, I just don't know what to eat. On Monday,
I can wear my purple hat.
on Tuesday, I got a new pet cat. On Wednesday, I can stay up very late. On Thursday,
I got a great big cake.
on Friday, I just wanna go to bed.
Monday, Tuesday, happy days. Wednesday, Thursday, happy days. Friday, Friday, the happiest day. Friday is the happiest day of the week. family short, family tall, family less, family more, family my, family your, family.
I love my mom loves me. We are a happy family. My dad loves me, I love my dad. They make me smile when I feel sad. Family small, family short, family tall, family less, family more, family my, family your, family. My brother's great, we play all day. He always knows what games to play.
My baby sister's nearly 3.
My brother says she looks like me.
Family small, family short, family tall, family less, family more, family my, family your, family.
Grandma and Grandpa live next door.
My brother says they're 84.
My grandma gives us cake to eat.
And Grandpa's got great big feet.
Family small, family short, family tall, family less, family more, family my, family your, family.
Lots of colors for you. Red is the apple that my mom gives me.
Yellow is the lemons in the lemon tree.
Green is the grass in the park where I play.
Blue is the sea on a hot summer day.
Red and yellow and green and blue,
White and purple and orange too. Pink and brown and black is true. There are lots of colors for you.
White is the milk that I drink before bed.
Purple is the hat that I wear on my head.
Purple is grapes that I always like to eat.
Orange is an orange fruit that is sweet.
red and yellow and green and blue,
White and purple and orange too. Pink and brown and black is true. There are lots of colors for you. Pink is my baby sister's hands and feet. Brown is lots of autumn leaves on the street. Brown is chocolate that I bought from the shop. Black is the new school shoe that I've got. Red and yellow and green and blue, White and purple and orange too. Pink and brown and black is true. There are lots of colors for you.
Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that?
I'm Daisy. I've got some nice yellow cheese. I'm Daisy. I've got 17 bees. I'm Kim, and I've got a nice yellow coat. I'm Kim, and I've got a brown and white goat.
Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that? Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that?
I'm Lucy. I've got 14 toy truck. I'm Lucy. I've got some yellow bath ducks. I'm Mary. I've got black and white dice. I'm Mary. I've got 20 gray mice.
Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that? Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that?
I'm May, and I've got a story to tell. I'm May, and I've got a big seashell.
I'm Pat, and I've got a brush for my teeth. I'm Pat, and I've got a big bag of sweets.
Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that? Daisy, Kim, and Lucy, Mary, May, and Pat. What have you got there? What is that?
Mr. Picaro, who can we see? Up, up, up in the Picaro galaxy. What can we learn and who can we be? Up, up, up
In the Picaro galaxy.
Mr. Picaro, who can we see? Up, up, up in the Picaro galaxy.
What is your name and who are you?
I'm Zoe and my eyes are blue. Charlie and he likes to dream. Zoe and Charlie love ice cream. Mr. Picaro, who can we see? Up, up, up in the Picaro galaxy. What can we learn and who can we be? Up, up, up
In the Picaro galaxy.
Who are you and what are your names? I'm Yuki, I like playing games. This is Jamal, he likes games too. We'd like to play some games with you.
Mr. Picaro,